What's going on, everybody? If you saw a previous video I did on an update that Samsung and Android users had to deal with, well, it has now affected me very negatively. Down here, the software info, I'm just going to show you this here, the One UI version 6.0 update, which was recent, late November 2023. If you'll follow my stylus, S Pen dot right here, my cursor. This right here has made my formerly perfectly working S22 Ultra, which, always works flawlessly. But as soon as this update occurred, oh my God, it will not stay on. It is shutting off for no reason. The battery charge information, jumps from high to low, out of nowhere. Yeah, have no explanation for it. And as you know, you can no longer access the battery on these newer models. So it's not like it's a battery issue per se. I mean, it might be, but you can't get to the battery to swap it out or anything. So yeah, I would hold off on doing this update. I mean, it may be different for your device, of course, but for mine, it has messed my phone up, and I've screwed with it all day yesterday and got nowhere. So I'm going to have to use a different phone for the time being. Honestly, when you get to this point, there's not much you can do but just get another phone. Because I don't buy my phones anymore, like on subscription plans or from T-Mobile or Verizon or AT&T. I don't get them like that anymore. I just buy them used, and I have been for the past 10 years with no problem. And, this phone was working great for right at a year even. I use it all the time for everything. So, yeah, this update messed me up. And I don't know what else there is to do about it. You can't take them into a store if you didn't buy the phone from an authorized dealer. They'll just say, "I'm sorry, we can't do anything for you." Already been there, done that, years ago. So you just have to sell it as is, basically, as as not fully functioning, and just buy another used phone. That's what I do, at least. I'm sure you guys do it different ways, but yeah, I don't try to go into the T-Mobile store and get on some 2-year contract or whatever, and they give you a new phone and all that. I don't mess with that. That's just my personal preference. I don't want to be hooked into stuff like that, or deal. I don't have the time to deal with that either. So anyway, just wanted to show y'all, on software and update right here. Like if you're coming from your main settings, like go up to the top of your screen and drag down and just hit the settings button at the top. Scroll down to software update right here. And right here, turn this off. Auto download over Wi-Fi. Turn that mess off first of all. And that's another thing. You can't go backwards, I've noticed. This right here, this One UI version 6, I tried to do a full reset on the phone and it would not get rid of this. It would not revert back to a previous version, which surprised me because that was my whole alleged fix. I said, all right, I'll just reset the phone to defaults, a complete reset. And hopefully that'll, allow me to not do this update on my own until maybe I'll give it a few more months for them to obviously work the bugs out of the new update. And no, that's not working for me either. So yeah, this phone is garbage as of this update. So anyway, yeah, that's what I wanted y'all to know. Stay away from the UI 6.0 update for right now. Turn off your automatic update for that. And yeah, what am I supposed to do? You already do some Googling online and you find nothing. Nobody's able to find a solution. You can't revert back to a previous UI system. Totally BS. But that's just how it is on devices sometimes. They're not perfect. And no, I'm not interested in using stupid iPhones. Those aren't my type of device. Never have, never will. So whatever, say what you want. Anyway, not much else I can tell you. Just stay away from that update for now. And look at our other videos. We got tons of videos on our channel. You know, more than 1,800 videos relating to computers and cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, stuff on eBay, how to use YouTube, stuff. All kinds of stuff on our channel. So just check it out. And sorry to give you all the bad news on this situation, but it is what it is. And if y'all have had a similar situation with your Android device that totally screwed your phone up, you know, feel free to post a comment underneath and what you did about it and that sort of thing, because I'm sure people in the future, either near or distant, might want to know about it. And there you go. So that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.